Hello and welcome. This is Lora O'Brien from the Irish Pagan School YouTube, and we are away on our holidays today. So I thought rather than do anything ranty or whatever, I'm going to just show you a lovely walk that's by this house that we rented in the north of Ireland. So we're up here with family at a family event between Omagh and Cookstown in County Tyrone, I want to say. And we have these houses that we've been able to rent. I just want to show you my car there. And they are in this beautiful setting beside a bog. And you don't really hear a lot about sacred sites up in Northern Ireland, but in this area we are right in the middle of a lot of archaeology. And we have Baymore Stone Circle, not far from us. There's an Ogham Stone, there's court cairns, there's all sorts of stuff. So I thought though that I would just bring you along this lovely nature walk, because a lot of you don't have places like this and scenery like this. And it's a very cold but very bright evening. So I was going to answer a question, and then I was going to do a bit of a rant. It's like, do you know what? Let's go and show them the Dragonfly Walk. So here's this lovely signboard that says the Dragonfly Walk. This area was once an actively forming raised bog. During the 1960s it was drained and planted with lodgepole pine trees in a commercial forestry operation. In recent years, the mature trees have been felled, allowing native species such as birch and rowan to thrive, and the aim now is to allow people to get close to nature. So it's a rough track. We've got some dragonfly information. We have a little mini, I think it's like a recreation stone circle in here. But it's a lovely little seating area. Oh, rough track. So they just have it done up lovely. So this is on Creagán Cottages, for anybody who wants to go and look them up. That's Creag, A for the N, near Omagh, Omagh. We just have this little boardwalk kind of a thing here. So I don't know if we're going to see a dragonfly, but this is kind of what Irish bog looked like. Got some little sculpture-y things in the background there, a little hare. There seems to be a lot of hare mythology around here. The cafe down at the visitor centre is called the White Hare. There's a little dragonfly sculpture over there in one at the back of one of the houses. You can just see it. These, I think, are just houses that people live in, so that's nice. So I'm going to go and do that full walk there, but we have had a little robin come and visit us in the mornings. We do have the sounds of the road, just not ideal for me. Got some people. Want to capture people unwittingly. Obviously local people use the walk. we get into people territory here, so just real quick. There's a little lake down there. I don't know if you can just about see the ducks. Can you see the ducks? The little white things. And there is a playground down there, so I don't want to catch anybody's kids. So there. Not a huge walk, but it is a very beautiful place. And I highly recommend it. They have been lovely. So that's on Creagán. Not affiliated in any way, shape or form. It's just where we happen to be staying. So I thought I'd give you something restful today. We're almost finished our 90-day challenge. So we're going to probably stop doing the daily videos at the end of May 2022 as we're recording this. So if you missed them, you can go back and you can see the daily videos. Me and John have been doing them each day. So we'll probably do maybe one each a week on our YouTube. And we might move over, do an extra one each per week on the Irish Pagan School Patreon, where we could maybe take questions. So there is more houses up there. So yeah, make sure you're signed up for the Patreon, the school, Irish Pagan School, patreon.com/Irish Pagan School. And the link is below. If you want to continue our travels with us, their regular videos. And I'm going to leave it there. So, slán go fóill, and I will see you in the next video.